Hey, do you have a clear picture of what you're aiming for and where you're actually going with your business? Let's talk about the power of a dream today, here on Service Business Success. Hi and welcome. My name is Martinjongejan. I'm your host, and this week we're going to talk about the science behind the power of having a clear vision for your business. A vision is a detailed mental picture of what you want your business to ultimately look like in the future. It's not just a wish, and it's more than a dream. No, I'm not talking about the law of attraction, and I'm not talking about some benevolent force in the universe that wants to put a Mercedes-Benz in your driveway just because you see it in your head. I'm talking about actual science. From a psychological standpoint, visualizing what you want your business to look like is a form of superliminal priming. Priming your brain has been proven to directly influence how you actually see the world. It subtly influences your behavior and your mindset. Our brains are actually wired to subconsciously search for cues in our world that support what we actually believe. It's known as confirmation bias. That's why what we tend to focus on expands, right? Have you ever had a pity party? You know, when you get caught up in that downward spiral where you visualize that everything's against you and nothing ever works out for you. How effective are you in your world during those times? Not very, right? Well, why not create an upward spiral using positive visualization and make confirmation bias actually work in your favor? See, your brain can't differentiate between what you think about and what you've actually seen. Imagining something lights up the exact same parts of the brain as actually experiencing it. Brain scans of a pianist demonstrated that the areas of brain activation that control finger movement are the exact same whether the pianist is imagining they're playing or actually playing. Visualization is an incredibly powerful tool, which is why it's used by successful athletes and other high performers. The more vividly we can actually picture something, the more attainable it feels, which positively alters our mindset. That leads to increased energy, more momentum, and constructive action. Action being the key word here. Having a clear vision of what you want your business to be will heighten your awareness of opportunities that align with it. Your vision will also inspire you to move beyond obstacles you encounter and pull you out of your comfort zone. What do you think kept me going when I was on my hands and knees picking up other people's pubic hair from the bathroom floor? That this was as good as it was going to get for me? That I'd reached the pinnacle of my vocation? Nope. It was the vision that I had for my company that pulled me through all that. Your vision, when acted upon, will draw you towards it like a fish on the end of a line. It will provide you hope during dark days, and trust me, you're going to have a few of those. And it will help you to persevere. You know, the struggle to realize your vision will bear fruit in so many other areas of your life. Lieutenant Commander Data said it best. It's the struggle itself that's most important. It does not matter if we never reach our ultimate goal. The effort yields its own rewards. Your vision should be a stretch, but feasible. It has to be smart. When I started my cleaning business, I recognized that I was entering a crowded market with tons of competitors. Was there opportunity for one more? Well, did I think there could never be another player in my industry that could become a household name? I didn't buy that, and I knew from my research that it was a burgeoning industry. So I figured if it could happen, why couldn't it be me in my business? Why can't it be you in your business? Get very, very real with what you picture. The clearer, more detail you give it, the more real it will be. You know, I could see the building that I want to move into, I could see the sign above the front door, I could see how I related to my team members, I could see how we were received in the community. It doesn't have to be huge to start. You know, maybe world conquest is beyond what you can see right now. Just big enough to pull you forward. Heck, my own dream in the early days was just to make a reasonable living. I was flat broke with almost no resources, but that vision got me to take action, man. I got off my butt and out the door delivering flyers in the rain through soggy Vancouver winters. I encourage you to get to work on your vision right away. Write it out in detail. Maybe you've been in business for years and you've never really done this. Maybe you're just about to launch your new endeavor. It's never the wrong time to jumpstart your business with a clear vision, defined milestones, and assigned tasks. This is less about the law of attraction and more about the law of action. You gotta run, but you need to have something to run towards. Once you've defined your vision, it can be broken down into time-stamped milestones that indicate progress. This is where your vision gets pulled out of your head and into reality. It gets legs. To reach those milestones, set specific goals in each area. Break your goals down into tasks that you work on every single day to move you inexorably forward. Finally, once you've defined your dream, you hold on to that. Don't let anyone, friends, family, naysayers, steal your dream. It's yours. You hang on to that sucker like a wide receiver holds onto a football. So in summary, will visualizing a successful business mean that the universe will make that happen for you? There's no secret here. Nope. But what it will do is influence your mindset and align your thoughts and your actions, which will move you towards your goal. Hey, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Please subscribe if you find the information helpful and punch the bell to be notified when the next video is posted. All the best and much success.